Hey fashion lovers! Welcome back to my channel, where we turn everyday fashion into something fabulous. Ready to give your old clothes a fresh new look for the fall and winter seasons? Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to look stylish. I'm here to show you 5 super simple DIY fashion hacks to upgrade last year's wardrobe without spending a fortune. These tips are easy, fun, and will make you feel like you have a whole new closet. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Adding embellishments. Got a plain sweater or boring jeans? We all have those basic pieces that could use a little extra something. Grab some sequins, beads, or patches, and a hot glue gun or needle and thread. These small additions can make a big difference. Adding a little sparkle or a fun design can totally transform a basic piece into something unique and stylish. It's like giving your clothes a personality makeover. Trust me, your friends will be asking where you got it. They'll be amazed at your creativity and style. All right, on to hack number 2. Altering fits. If you have a shirt that's too baggy or pants that are a bit loose, don't toss them just yet. There's so much potential in those pieces. With a few simple stitches, you can take in the sides or hem the legs to get that perfect fit. Tailoring your clothes can make them look custom-made. No sewing machine? No problem. There are plenty of no-sew options. Fabric glue or iron-on hem tape works wonders too. These tools are lifesavers for quick fixes and adjustments. Next up, hack number 3. Layering styles. Layering is not just practical for staying warm. It's also a great way to add depth and texture to your outfit. It's like creating a fashion masterpiece with different elements. Try wearing a turtleneck under a summer dress, or pair a chunky knit sweater with a leather jacket. These combinations can make your outfits more versatile. Mix and match different textures and patterns to create a look that's totally you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your style. Hack number 4. Turning old into new. Have an oversized hoodie that's just taking up space? Let's turn it into something fabulous. Cut it down the middle to make a trendy cardigan, or crop it for a fresh look. These simple cuts can give your hoodie a whole new life. You'd be amazed at how cutting and a bit of creativity can completely revamp an old piece. It's all about seeing the potential in what you already have. And finally, hack number 5. Accessorize, accessorize, accessorize. Sometimes, all you need is the right accessories to breathe new life into an outfit. Accessories can be the magic touch that completes your look. Add a statement belt, a chunky scarf, or a stylish hat to elevate your look. These items can make a simple outfit stand out. Accessories are a game changer and can easily update your style. They allow you to express your personality and creativity. So there you have it. 5 easy DIY fashion hacks to upgrade your wardrobe for the fall and winter. These tips will help you stay stylish and cozy all season long. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fashion DIYs and style tips. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. See you next time. Stay fabulous and keep creating.